What's going on, guys? It's John here. In light of all this coronavirus outbreak, I wanted to put out a video where we spent a couple hours cleaning up the Jeep Cherokee and show you guys really what a little bit of cleaning will do in terms of turning a $400 farm vehicle into a respectable daily driver. Let's get to it. Alright, so our next problem, we got a lot of this falling down. All we're going to end up doing with this is using our razor blade and cutting all the pieces that are hanging down just to make it look neat. So as you can see, we did a lot of cleaning to this Jeep today, and I think I really turned it into something nice. We're going from a $400 farm vehicle where they threw hay in the back, they threw horse food and whatever, goat food on the in the back seats and everything. It was just trashed. Now it's all cleaned up. I would actually daily drive this myself, and on top of it, that headliner is not the best, but all this was hanging down, and I actually, instead of using the razor blade, I used scissors. It ain't pretty, but at least it's not hanging down anymore. So that's it for today's video. Just wanted to put something out there quick. This took me a couple hours, but it's something I needed to do for a long time. All right, see you guys on the next one.